Grade 10, chemistry experiment. The knowledge strand is matter and material. The topic is 3 states of matter. The experiment we are doing today is the heating and cooling curve of water. The aim of this experiment is to investigate the cooling and heating curve of water. Our hypothesis for this experiment is, will the increase or decrease in temperature change the state of water? So you need your micro burner, your pressure stand, your beaker stand, and a beaker, and some crushed ice. Just fill your beaker with some crushed ice. Light your burner. And then we start heating the ice. Now you have to take the reading after every 1 minute. One of the precautions when you're doing this experiment, make sure that when you take your reading, you don't take out the thermometer, because it's going to take the temperature of the room. When you take the reading when the water is boiling, make sure you take the reading until the temperature doesn't rise anymore. So you must just let the water boil until the temperature is constant. At least have about 3 readings of a constant temperature. Like at the moment, it's about 98. And then when the water is boiling like that, just switch off your burner. And then we are doing part 2, which is the cooling curve. So the water that was boiling, we let the water cool down, the temperature cool down. So that is the part 2 of it, because we started with the heating curve. Now we're doing the cooling curve from boiling until the temperature goes below 0. So even with this one, you need to take the temperature after every 1 minute. Coming to the hypothesis indicates the relationship between the variables that can be tested. In this experiment, we had our variables are the independent variable is the temperature, because the temperature is the one that we manipulated. We changed the temperature. And the dependent variable, the one that automatically changes when we change the independent, is our state of water. So our hypothesis should include your independent variable and dependent variable. Our observation is that the temperature, when we increase the temperature rises, and then it remains constant, rise again, and then constant again. With the conclusion, when you write your conclusion, you must relate it to your hypothesis. So with our hypothesis, we said when the temperature increases or decreases, that will change the state of the water. When we increase the temperature, the state of the water changed. And when we decrease the temperature, the state of the water changed also.